Panel beaters, auto body repair. Yeah, g'day mate, my name's Kano. So this month we've got an additional 3 employers looking for panel beaters, the people that repair the car after it's been crashed. Now we've got an employer in Perth, an employer in Sydney, and I think the other employer is in Melbourne. They're offering the 482 working visa. They can also do subsequent entrant visas for the wife and kids, and they'll do a future nomination for permanent residency. So salaries for these positions will depend on your experience, but basically anyone in Australia on a working visa, like the 482 visa, must receive at least 80,000 Australian dollars per year or higher. So some people get 80, some get 90, some get 100, some get more than that. Just depends on your experience and the location. So yeah, for our assistants, ideally we'd like somebody that's got 5 years recent experience, somebody that's done their English exam already. So for example, IELTS with a score of 5 in each section, reading, writing, listening and speaking. And for some nationalities, you would also need a skills assessment certificate. So something like VETASS or TRA. And remember that employers will only interview people that are visa doc ready. So if you haven't done your English exam, you should do it. If you haven't done your skills assessment, you should do it. When we pass an applicant to an employer, the employer wants to do the interview. If they like them, offer them a job and lodge the visa the next day. The employers don't want to be waiting for people to be trying to pass an English exam or trying to collect police clearances and do skills assessments. If you want to be successful, if you want to get an employer, if you want to get a job offer and a pathway to permanent residency in Australia, make sure you are visa doc ready. Have a good day.